Hey guys, it's Roxy Chowdown. Welcome to my Jamaican backyard and my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. So right here I'm giving you a sneak peek on how I reap my green bananas for breakfast. Green bananas are a staple side dish in Jamaica and are often cooked with other ground provisions like yam and cocoa and dasheen and Irish potato and pumpkin and just a whole heap of niceness. My peeps, comment below any boiled food I left off the list. So guys, here's a little trick to protect your hands from getting stained while peeling green bananas. Simply apply some cooking oil to your hands before cutting and you're good to go. Found that tip helpful? Then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Next, go ahead and cut the ends off your banana and slice down 1 or 2 seams, no more than skin deep. Holding the banana firmly in one hand, use the thumb of your other hand to gently pry the skin away, working in small increments up or down the fruit. If your banana starts to break, move to another side of your banana and repeat the peeling process. My peeps, if you get your green bananas straight from the plant like I did, you have the option to simply remove the ends of each banana, then make 2 seam slices on either side before placing it into boiling water to cook. That way, you can easily use your fork to slide the banana out of its soft skin once it's cooked. Once you've peeled your bananas, boil them in salted water for about 20 minutes or until soft, then enjoy. I really hope this video helps those of you who at times get intimidated when preparing green bananas. I want you to know that some bananas are easier to peel than others, some will break, but it will still taste great. Enough love and blessings, and see you in my next video.